y'all probably like, Logic, where the fuck the album, man? I want my album to come out more than y'all, man.
Yeah, feel like I've been waiting forever for this shit. First album in the game, I'm trying to level with this shit. My fans probably thinking he won't never drop that shit, but I'm trying to make it perfect so you all cop that shit. And even if it leak, I still do 100 first week. Taking my time with every rhyme, so not a single verse week. See, I do this shit for y'all, the fans that come to every show. For the homies in Chicago, always in the first row. Now y'all see the bigger picture, but never behind the scenes. Everything ain't what it seems, but it's rap shit, I'm a fiend, this is my dream. I moved to LA, just me and my team. Most rappers only give a fuck about bitches and cream, but all the money from my deal went right back to the fans. Every shirt, every tour, paid for with my advance. But it ain't finished yet, I'm sorry, so here go to CP. I took a break from the album to let you know it's still me. First time I'm selling something, but it still feel free, cause ain't a damn thing changed. Rap pack till I die.
Oh my god! Oh no! You hit it! No! What the fuck? No!